What's up, guys? Today a little video on how to make Mio's parachutes work. Also, we'll get into how to add weight to the back of the car. So if we press escape and we click vehicle config, we type in tow, you can see here it's empty, but there is a adjustable drag parachute mount. If we click that, now you can see we have a single parachute. It does do dual. You can change the color, you can make it functional, non-functional. It does stop you. So if we delete tow and then type in para, you can see we have a list. You'll also notice that the game or whatever, has a parachute, or maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's dual parachutes here. So let's check that out. Okay, yeah, so that's a different set. I don't know if the game has it or another mod, but you don't want to double up on that. So we'll leave that empty, and then what we're going to do is, after you have this mounted, you can click parachute mount. Tubular mount is the longer one, or you could do the short one. Parachute bag is just that. And then under parachute, by default it's functional, meaning it will stop you, or you can have the safety flags, which just show the safety flags and it's non-functional. So let's set that back there, and then we're just going to click tuning parts again over here, and then where the plus sign is next to body, you're going to click that. You're going to scroll down until you see tow hitch. You're going to click the little plus sign there. You're going to click the plus sign by parachute mount, and then you're going to click the plus sign by mount type. So right here you can select single or dual. You can see right now it's a single. If we select dual, now that is a dual mount right there. Click the plus sign next to the parachute bags. Again, that is just what we discussed before. The rope, you can click for how long the rope is, or a short rope for your parachute. Then click the plus sign next to the parachute, and again, this is where functional and the safety flags are. Here's where you select your color and then your branding, and then also if you want weight added to the back, we'll go ahead and click that, and you can see there is actually weight right here. And then if you click the plus sign next to weight ballast, you can do adjustable weight, which you can fine tune in tuning. And then the visual, it's either empty or on. You can also select the color. So you got couple different colors you can make your weights, and then also the bolt color, you can select that. Alright, so after you got that all set up, we're going to click options, and you got to use a keybind for this. So click control and then Mio's drag parts, and then right here you can close and open the chute automatically, manually, and then for the roof chute you can just select automatic closing. All you do is click the little plus sign, and then for example on my joystick, I'm just going to press down on it, and then you click apply, and then that's going to go ahead and assign. Back out, and then if you want you can deploy it, as you can see, and then if you click it again it will go back in, and automatic is the same. It will just do it automatically. But anyway, if we take a hit down here, make a pass, and hit the parachute, you can clearly see with and without the parachutes the stopping. So I use the brakes right there at the end. Now if we go ahead and take a hit, so you can clearly see right there, the parachutes do stop you. So all the links will be down in the description. Feel free to share them. And Tamio, you forbid nothing.